By the genocide, the starvation, and the war, and the killing for the people here in Gaza City, Al Khidma Foundation Pakistan came to this camp to put the smile on the faces of these orphans who lost their father during the war. So inshallah today we are making entertainment day and give a small gift for these children here. Now we are continuing our distribution for the hot meals for these children. Thanks for Al Khidma Foundation Pakistan so much.
Pakistan.